You could serve this anywhere, in any restaurant, and it'd be a showstopper. Today we're doing Mack Tuna with shiso, lemon zest, capers, and buquino peppers. So we're going to pick our buquino, our shiso. We're just going to chop up our buquino peppers. And we're going to chop up some capers, just roughly chopped. We're going to roll and chop our shiso. We're going to zest our lemon. We're going to fillet this beautiful Mack Tuna. We've shinki-jimi'd this fish, which means we've run a wire down the spinal column to sever the nerves and prevent lactic acid buildup and give us an overall better quality fish. It was then bled and ice slurried like all of the other fish we catch. So we're just going to fillet it. We're going to take the skin off and we're going to chop it into small cubes. So after it's diced into small cubes, we're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to mix all of those ingredients together. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of crystal hot sauce. Onto the plate and finish with some olive oil. Okay, Mack Tuna with capers, shiso, lemon zest, buquino peppers, and Tabasco. A little bit of olive oil. See how it goes. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a cracker. There's some big flavours with the Mack Tuna. You know, it's a little bit of a fishier tuna. But the capers and the lemon zest and those buquino peppers and the little bit of crystal hot sauce, which is like a vinegar-based hot sauce like Tabasco, you can interchange it to. Absolutely cracking. That's a really, really, really nice. That's summertime on a plate. Oh, man. Oh. I even have that with some fresh sourdough. Have that for dipping and soaking some oil up. Throw some of that on there. Bit breezy today. Oh. Go catch some fish.